I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at the Great Wolf Lodge in Williamsburg, Virginia. Just going to be doing an overview and showing you how cool this place is. So let's head on inside and get started. The outside of the resort is decorated with multiple wolf statues around the entrance and around the buildings, with the outside of all the rooms appearing like a large log cabin to add to that cool outdoors kind of wolf type theme. As you enter into the main lobby, you're greeted by the same outdoor scenery inside there as well, along with this awesome animatronic entry area here where normally they would do story time, but due to the COVID pandemic while we were there, that was all shut down to avoid any kind of crowding in that area. But normally that would be up and running with all of these, the trees and the characters and animals and stuff all being mechanical and animatronic, and just really a cool time for the families and kids and stuff during story time out there in the main lobby area. One of the main attractions of Great Wolf Lodge is their awesome and very large water park that they have indoor with the heated pools. And part of that water park, you have multiple water slides ranging from some that go up 3 and 4 stories to some smaller ones that you can just come down for all ages. This is just a fun time. A lot of the time is spent in there. The kids, the adults, everyone just has a blast on these water slides and different water activities. You also have this large water structure where you can climb up to do the slides, and on top of it you have this massive water bucket that fills up and then dumps on the crowd below, which is very cool. Then across this water park in general, there are several different swimming pool areas, which includes this large wave pool, which periodically it'll sound the alarm of a howling wolf and it'll create these waves that come in. And the waves are actually pretty cool. It simulates a lot as being at the beach with the waves crashing off to the shoreline. Then you also have another section where you have the larger water slides where you need to ride a raft. Those outlet also into another one of the pool sections. And then coming across from that, you have this very cool wave-making surf simulator to where you can ride the wave. Then you also have this lazy river in the middle of the water park. If you just want to relax and just enjoy the current, you can pick up a raft or an inner tube for 2, and you can just enjoy the time and just ride the current all around as it wraps around. Then off to the side you have this family pool, which is about 4.5 feet deep, which also has the lily pad obstacle course for the little ones to enjoy. They can go across holding onto that net while trying to balance and work their way across on these floating lily pads and logs. And last but not least, in the water park, you have this section here for the little ones. You have the kiddie pool area, which is very large, also has a shoreline like the wave pool, but without the waves. At Great Wolf Lodge, you can also enjoy their duck pin bowling alley, which is with all the other gaming things like laser tag and the arcade and different places like that. Fun time for the family to have fun bowling. It's got a cool interactive LED screen with some cool animation, just a fun time there. Another fun game, interactive for the family, is the time challenge, where two different sides compete to try to see who can hit the most light up buttons as they flash. It's a fun time. And no resort would be complete without a very cool arcade. This arcade room they have is a lot similar to like a Chuck E. Cheese type place, where you can earn tickets and you can cash them in at the end for different prizes. There's different games between claw machines, arcade games, different kind of sports games like the skee ball and basketball, different things like that. Just a really fun time. Very large room too. Great variety of stuff. Great prizes to choose from. Just definitely a fun place to hang out as one of your stops while you're there at Great Wolf Lodge. And now for the highlight of the Great Wolf Lodge experience is the Magiquest Adventure. This is a very, very cool feature, interactive, where you'll start off is you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to purchase your magic wand from the store, where you can purchase all the accessories to use on this game and upgrades that you can use. And basically you have a wand like this, and they activate it for you, and it's logged on to your account, your name, and you'll go around pointing at different objects to activate them. Once you activate those objects, then you're going to go ahead and collect them as part of your quest. And as you collect certain parts of your quest, you'll advance to different levels. You can collect coins along the way, as like right here, and use those in your quest to purchase different things. This overall Magiquest experience can take easily a couple days to do, and it's just a really fun time with interaction. There's maps. You're going back and forth between the first, second, third, fourth floor of the resort, collecting different things and just capturing different things, going to animations like this here where they point you on your next quest. They give you hints as far as what to look for. Just a really cool, interactive, fun time. There's also cool little features like this fairy house right here and little mechanical animals along the way that you can also use your magic wand. If you just point to them, you'll go ahead and activate them to kind of come alive, just to add to that experience as well. And as you approach certain parts of your quest, as right here, you'll get different hints. You'll hear from different characters as they point you on your way. They'll give you clues to move along, and then ultimately you'll find yourself right here facing the ultimate character, which is a dragon that you'll fight. It's a very cool interactive battle, and you're going to go back and forth battling with them inside of this kind of castle type room. And if you're good enough to finally conquer the dragon, then you will defeat the dragon, and then he'll point you on your way.
The mighty red dragon, Charlock, who pledges to leave them in peace.
Once the quest is over and you've successfully completed it and defeated the dragon, you can then obtain your official certificate and share in the knighting ceremony later that evening. Another fun time for the kids is the cool meet and greet of all the different Great Wolf Lodge characters that are throughout the day, and they pretty much cycle through the different characters each day, so there will be a different one that'll be available. Unfortunately, due to COVID, they had to be done behind this barricade, and the kids were not able to hug them and get too close with them, but normally you would be able to do that. And one of the other kind of souvenir shops they have there, you have the main souvenir shop that has a large candy section with a candy wall. You also have the Build-A-Bear workshop, which is part of that. And once you buy your Great Wolf Lodge pack, if you get the one where it's all inclusive, this is part of it where each child will get a free Build-A-Bear that they can choose from there at the store. Okay, well that pretty much wraps it up here at Great Wolf Lodge. We had a great time. All kind of cool stuff to do, highly recommended. There's one here in Williamsburg, Virginia where we are. I believe there's one in Pennsylvania. They're opening one up in Maryland. And I'll put some other locations in here as well. But I hope this video was enjoyable. Please send me any questions, comments. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.